Howdy folks, Jody Marler with Fishcamp Custom, and today we are building reclaimed doors. So today we are going to show you the ins and outs of how we build custom doors. So whether it's a reclaimed oak like the majority of these doors, or it's a red barnwood door, a signature door for a specific room, these are the ins and outs of how we build our doors. We resaw on our bandsaw 2x material so we can get two sides of material to about 1/2 inch rough thickness. This also makes them flat and true. Next, we plane to a finished thickness of 3/8. We need to keep everything consistent so all pieces join correctly. Then we wire wheel to clean the wood and actually burnishes the wood to a nice subtle finish. Then surface the LSL, or laminated stranded lumber, which is a very stable engineered material to use to keep the door from warping. Then we press the wood to the core with adhesive overnight. The adhesive we use is a Loctite PL, a polyurethane adhesive that works great for what we're doing. Then we build the jambs to the proper wall thickness and mortise or route the hinges to the door and jambs. We then hang the doors to make sure everything fits correctly. Then, depending on client's preference, we either stain, distress, or simply finish and seal the doors and deliver to the site to be installed and trimmed. So this is our completed entry door on this home, which sets the tone for the rest of the house. I love this door. I think it just looks great, and hope you guys do too. Ashley Norton Hardware looks fantastic against this door. And obviously this video is a short video on how we build doors. There's a lot to it, but it's just kind of an overview of how we build them. I want to talk about safety. Anytime you're doing this type of work in this environment, you have to wear eye and ear protection. It's also a good idea to wear gloves. If you enjoyed this segment and would like to see more on this project, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.